Hi folks, I'm Sudarshan and I'm getting you another experience from the archives. We had been to Bali a few years ago and we had a number of experiences. The events were arranged by my brother Santosh, who lived there. He still lives there. This video is about our river rafting experience. It was very fun and exciting when the raft goes up and down in the water. Scary too at times. But we had this video. It's a great experience. At the moment when rafting, our raft even got stuck at a place, and that was a harrowing few moments for all of us. I was afraid that if the raft would snag on a stone and spring a leak, and then I don't swim. Bhavan and parents, I don't know, so it was a little scary. But then we got out of it and got enjoyable. You will see it in the video. Please watch it and enjoy it.
They're not just fastened to that.
You can hold on to it. You don't want to be fastened. If you're fastened and you go upside down, then you will be stuck with the boat and you'll drown. So the idea is that you just float with the water, because the life jacket will keep you floating. So you don't have to worry about holding on. That's why he said relax. Don't tense up and hold on to things. Just relax and go. And he will help you. I'm there to help. So you'll be fine. Okay? Don't put your foot on that valve.
Hey, sit in here. Hey.
Ma.
Excuse me, everybody. Before we go, we need some information for the practice. Okay, for the first. Okay.
On the, your hand should be up there, Appa.
Oh, okay. Like
Move your right hand to the center. Okay. Watch Bhavani's hand, Appa.
Okay.
Yeah. There you go. Forward. Okay. Let's forward.
Hey, one more. I know you. Forward. Backward. Stop after pedaling. Okay. Don't press on the pedal like this.
Yeah. So up inside, yeah? Inside the boat,
Okay,
like this.
1 feet in the front. Okay, please.
Okay. Don't panic. Yes, relax. Let it. Don't tense up. Yeah?
Okay, now everybody, I need to look forward, yeah?
Okay. Jadi kami dua pakai power atau tidak? Power. Okay. Okay, be ready. Amma, hold it from up. Yeah, there you go. Up.
Stop. And then please do not control in the boat.
Forward. Stop. Forward. Sudhu, you and I, instead of fast, just pull hard. Yeah? Hold this with both hands. Beep, beep, beep. Back. Don't, that's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. It's all safe. back, so we can make some space between them and us. Stop. Forward. Boom, boom. Sit in the center. Sit, slide. Yeah, there you go. Forward and back up. Sit. Hold on, hold on. It's okay. There you go. Slowly, yeah, slowly.
Okay, back position.
Slowly, Amma, slowly.
Okay, forward.
Okay, forward. Stop.
Thank you so much.
Becoming more flexible.
Now hold it like this. So when you want to put it back, it's in position. Or your bottom hand. Yeah. No, thumb here. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay.
Don't do anything. It will take you so.
This raft is built to take the bumps.
Once you push the rock on the wall, very dangerous. Not enough power, your pedal push.
See, it turned, no?
Yeah. All you have to do is sit and go for the ride, really.
Just relax.
Relax. This is mommy dive.
Good. That portion is over.
There'll be more. Yeah.
Apakah ada yang salah? Aduh, bahasa Inggris saya.
Tidak, bagus.
Tolong, kalau salah, tolong bilang.
Ya, siap.
Saya akan belajar.
Oke, siap. Tidak, biasanya udah bagus. Cuman saya ulangi lagi karena mungkin dia tidak dengar, jadi itu aja. Right. Karena no, Ama, yeah, there you go. Up. So every time they say stop, you hold it up.
And then can I see comment, hang on, please you roll the rope, yeah?
So hang on will be this.
When he says, hang on.
You roll.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Sekarang hang on? No, not yet. That's just instructions. If not yet, don't hang on yet. Not now, Ma. Don't hang on. Yeah, relax. Be ready to. Yeah. Woo!
Don't dash everyone.
Forward! Stop! You're fine, relax. Hold on. Don't make big movements. All good. All good. Forward.
Thank you so much. You don't all put him. Woohoo!
Last time when I was in the Philippines, I went rafting after the shoulder surgery. Forward. Okay, good rapid coming up. Forward. Stop. Raft up. Or up. It's okay, Emma. You don't. I'll do it. Okay.
Up.
He'll give commands. I'm just repeating because maybe they're used to my voice. He'll give it become confusing. Just too easy. Stop.
Up your pedal like this.
Yeah.
No, up. When he says stop, yeah. Okay. Just be careful because if you keep it down, it might hit his eyes.
So everybody, be careful, yeah? This your pedal, very dangerous for you.
So when he says stop, just do this. Always, don't forget. Wait, are you on the fast lane? Beep. Beep beep.
Forward.
And just enjoy the scenery also while you're doing it. Yeah.
You see ahead that mountain and
Cliff. Sorry. Stop, stop. Stop. Yeah. Hey, so hold up. Yeah.
Hang on.
Hang on.
Hold that.
Relax, relax. Don't worry.
Okay, back position.
Back into your positions. Beep beep. Hi. Stop.
the more gentle side.
Okay. Move right.
Move right. Move right.
Move right. Move right. Wait. Move right.
Oh, Jatuh.
Oh, Santa, you're almost out.
That's okay. Don't worry. Bit back.
Then we came in the deep part or what?
No. We're just stuck in spot.
Don't panic.
We're just stuck for a temporary spot. Don't worry.
Don't panic, yeah.
No problem. No problem.
They went easily. They slid down like this. We reach that point, it will be easy, you know.
Yeah, relax. Yeah. Yeah, Ken. Okay. You stay where you are, don't worry. Yeah. Step. Hold your oars up. Hold the oar up, Amai. Say stop. Yeah.
Such a lovely scenery. Careful, everybody.
Hey, hold your paddle properly, unless you're gonna hit Bhavani with it. Great job. Well done with that spot.
We did well there.
Ah, okay. Sit more to the edge. Don't sit so far to the center.
Okay.
So that the bottom becomes heavy and it scrapes. Ah, my shoe is still there. Good. Man,
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾವ ಅವನೋಡಕ್ಕಂತ
forward. Listen. So you can put one butt cheek up here. Stop.
Hang on. Forward, forward, forward.
Stop. Boom. But don't reach your hand out. Don't put your hand there.
Forward.
Forward.
Okay, di depan. Saya punya kamera.
Step.
You can see video in the front.
Just pay attention to the front.
Hang on.
Hang on. Apa? Hah? Forward.
Yes, be careful. Anaconda. What? Anaconda. Really? Yeah. Okay, done.
Do you want to go to the waterfall underneath?
on this is that no under right underneath
Bisa cuman depan?
much only is enough
Bisa seperti ini?
enough little if we go so we can clean the spray want to go back to
Huh? It's okay. It's okay. Go on.
Saya tidak mau kamu saya
Siap? Nggak apa-apa. Nggak apa-apa.
Hey, pakai jalan. Forward. Stop, stop. Forward. I can move to the front.
Some more? No, move to the front. Yeah, move to the front. Ibu juga? No. Okay, it's okay.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. Okay, back position.
it's comfort. Step up. Yeah, there you go. Okay, or in until it tells us to paddle.
The waterfalls, water will be adding to the
You watch Bhavani's strokes and you time yours. I'll watch your stroke and I'll time mine. Okay? No, together. Yeah, good. Slow down. Just follow her. Stop.
Serukan sekarang masih
Masih? Ya udah tua, udah 50 lebih tapi let's stop over here.
எப்படி இதனால ரவுண்ட் அடிக்கிறது This is just going with the flow.
Amma, try not to hold on, just relax. See, you'll get comfortable at it. I know. But it will help you increase your confidence just by, like anything, the more you do it, the more comfortable you'll become with it. Nothing else. So, no secrets.
This is just but sometimes it is very
bisa lepas kamera.
One buttock up there. Yeah.
Forward.
Hey, stop! Your paddle up, Sudhu. Yeah.
Up your pedal, up your pedal, up your pedal.
Bhavani, hold the paddle up. Up, yeah.
Take up smile, camera. Camera.
Smile.
Forward.
Yeah, hold this hand secure, yeah? Otherwise it will go loose and hit her.
Wait a moment ya. I
Yeah.
can put the map.
Rest stop, yeah? Woi, cepat sekali, keren.
instant means instant. That was the photo he took now, no? When we cross.
Forward. Forward. Stop. Bawa pinggir lagi.
Forward.
Ah, we're almost there. Come on. Harder.
Thank you so much. Good experience ya.
Fantastic.
Excuse me, my friend. Before the camera on,
Sudah on.
sudah on. Tadi waktu nyangkut.
Ya, tapi masuk ke dalam jadi gak bisa lihat mungkin. Coba lihat nanti. Tapi jangan khawatir, saya edit.
Deceptive, no? The flow, from the flow you can gauge only the. Here, of course, it is a little calm.
Forward.
Sorry. Whoop. Just keep your body loose. Backward.
Forward. Excuse me, everybody. Look at the left side.
Ah, wow.
Big jump.
No, see the carvings?
This is the history.
See, lot of carvings are here.
This is story, the Ramayana story.
Ah.
Cerita Mahabharata.
This is,
Mahabharata or Ramayana?
Mahabharata.
see,
Ah.
this is Vishnu on the
From the
snake.
Mahabharata.
Vishnu on the snake.
Ah, tidak, lahirnya Rama, jadi mungkin Ramayana.
Lovely, no?
Atau mungkin dua-duanya.
Such big things. Elephant.
Forward.
Yang Hanuman. Ah, it's Lakshmi or somebody showing Rama's in his hand. Oh, it's Hanuman.
Forward together.
One, two. One, two. One, two.
Hang on.
It's normal, don't worry. Girls like to do that, it's okay. It's absolutely normal.
Now it is calm. Again, for some time it is.
Forward.
Okay, get back in position. Okay, one, two, one, two, one, two. Yeah. Keep going forward, he hasn't told us to stop.
Actually, this side one night waterfall. Small.
It's okay, don't worry.
Step forward.
So, okay, let's time our strokes. Okay, Appa, focus on what you're doing. Forward. Come on. It's all the weight we put on earlier.
cover?
Sudah setengah jalan atau lebih? Kurang? Belum, just a quarter. Just quarter way. Okay? Kenapa apa? We'll do it here in Bali. Saya juga sering ke India atau setahun sekali ke India, tapi gak lama, 1 minggu aja seperti ini. Jadi saya pikir harus keliling-keliling sama keluarga, tapi tidak. Jadi bagus di Bali bisa main. Ya, India juga nyaman, tapi untuk dia lebih bagus karena saya sudah tahu India sedikit, tapi dia belum pernah rasa Bali. Jadi dia dapat banyak, saya juga dapat banyak kalau di sini. Dulu, sekarang pensiun. Dulu saya pilot. Ya.
Tapi untuk menjadi pilot lama sekolah Pak ya?
1 tahun?
Tahun? Berapa bayarnya Pak?
Tergantung training latihan di mana. Kalau belajar di Amerika kira-kira 600 juta. Tapi bisa. Sekarang saya belajar untuk stop. Sekarang saya belajar untuk dive instructor. Ya, instructor menyelam. Ya.
Terus hobi Bapak apa Pak?
Saya guru terbang juga, saya bisa ngajarin terbang. Ya. Saya flight instructor, sekarang dive instructor. Forward. Wow.
Ini adalah hotel Pak. Nama
Bagus.
hotelnya Ayu The Royal Pizza Maha.
Ya, keren.
This is the hotel everybody. The name is hotel The Royal Pizza Maha.
Ada spa di sini juga ya. Jadi Imad,
Ini Pak.
kalau mau massage bisa di sini seberang sungai. Nanti saya tanya.
Oh, maaf kan lihat.
It's okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Yeah, everybody you can move your left, move your left. Right. Right and left.
Left. Back to your positions.
Back to your position. Step forward.
Nice cliff face.
Step forward, pedal.
Yeah, we keep paddling. Nice starling flying over the water. time we'll find places like this to stay. Hang on, hold on to the ropes.
Oh, be careful, everybody.
Boom!
Lift your bum and
Don't. Just good. As long as you're not feeling, oh, when will this get over? It's okay. Yeah, come on, use your right hand more to do. Yeah. It's easier like this. So like, give it good. Mining sand. There you go. There you go, waterfall. Wait, you can't say you didn't feel it. That's good. Also, it's easier if you push this one up. So it's much easier that way. So like, this should be almost vertical when it's in the water.
Forward.
Sorry. Wow. See, I don't know these places exist. I'm living here for so long. I mean, I know this stuff by the rivers, but not like this. When he says boom boom. Sit inside, yeah. Push it back forward, yeah? That's good. Oh, great, the camera missed it. Woo! Forward! Wah, ini batu. Back! Huh? Oh! We're quite close to the end. Stop. 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 Yeah.
Good, now we have to climb
Oh, ini Bali Adventure Tours.
steps.
Jadi ini Bali Adventure Tours. Okay. Keren. Ini Bali. Back. Stop. You can get down.
You can get out, please. Be careful. Slippery. Please you bring the all equipment, yeah. Helmet, pedal, jacket.
Tas anda bawa ya.
Ya.
He'll get the bag up, don't worry.
Nanti barangnya ambil di atas aja Pak ya.
Yeah.
Jadi siapa tahu Bapak ambil sekarang, ada wah gitu.
Yeah, take the oars with you. Yeah. Wait, wait, just wait. I'll give it to you.
One by one, one by one.
Ma, wait. Ask Appa to hold the oars instead of you holding it. Yeah, just do that. Okay.
Enjoy the rain. You can enjoy the rain falling in the room.
Say hi. Or something. Yeah. Wave Amma at the camera.
Yeah.
I'll do with you also.
Come on, everybody. It's called a fist bump. No, you can't do all together. Okay. Fine, good.
1, 2, 3.
Alright, let's go. Kalau di Indonesia keliling-keliling banyak teman di Indonesia.
Kita royal paling terakhir.
The itinerary of our trip was rather packed and crowded, but then it turned out to be good because we could do as much as we could in the limited time that we had in Bali. My brother Santosh, who had been living there for a number of years, planned all this, and it also helped that he is conversant and well versed in Bahasa Indonesia, the language spoken there. These videos have been taken by Santosh with his GoPro camera. Thank you, Santosh, for everything. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and press the bell icon so that you receive a notification whenever I load my next video. Also, please subscribe to my channel as currently only 4% of my viewers are subscribers. And if you subscribe to my channel, it will also become easier for me to continue making such videos for your enjoyment and entertainment. Thank you.